Hey everyone, I'm Ben, your agent. Are you a real estate agent that's been in business for over a year or a little less than a year? Feeling lost or confused? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you what's going on right now in my business, and I hope that encourages you. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Ben your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Let me first go over what's going on in my career, and I'm hoping that it's gonna encourage you. So right now, I'm actually currently working with 6 active buyers. No sellers at the moment. One is in escrow, and he's been in escrow for the last several months. It's because of a tenant occupied situation. We can't kick that tenant out, and it's waiting on the court approval. So that's been a few months. 3 of my active buyers, I'm actually helping look at home and submitting offers. And the last one is, or 2 more, I'm waiting for them to get pre-approved, right? So if you guys haven't watched my previous video, last year I closed 1 buyer and I helped out about 3 tenants. So business isn't as pretty picture as most people make it out to be. You know, it's I haven't closed anything this year yet, but what I'm doing to stay prospecting is these things: cold calling homeowners in my zip code. I'm doing that. I'm door knocking. As you guys mostly know, YouTube, thanks for being a subscriber and for my future subscribers. And I've done social media. If you haven't been on any of my social media, check it out. IG, TikTok, Facebook, business page, all Ben your agent. And thanks for those that are part of that group. And last but not least, I'm previewing homes and showing them on my IG live. So when you guys get the chance, check out some of the homes I'm doing out on my IG live. So like I mentioned, it's not what you see on TV. Real estate is tough, but it's super also very rewarding, helping people achieve their dreams of buying the home they always wanted or selling their home to get another home. And that's what's happening right now. Just an update from last week. You know, mortgage rates is increasing, guys. We're seeing it at almost a 5% increase. So please get with your lender, get pre-approved, and come to me as your agent so we can get you going out there. And last thing is, if you're in the same boat as me, please comment below. I'd like to know who else is out there, struggling agents out there. Maybe we can create a group on Facebook or somewhere else and help each other and keep each other accountable. Because one thing that I love is going to my office, being around my teammates, and keeping that energy going, no matter what the market's like. So I hope this encouraged you. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp. Y'all bless you. Take care.